Hello everyone from the Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today, together, we will make quince marmalade, a wonderful taste for breakfasts. We would greatly appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 2 quinces, 2 cups of granulated sugar, half a lemon, 1 coffee cup of water, 5 cloves. First, let's peel the quinces that we have washed. After peeling them, let's grate the quinces. Put the grated quinces in a medium-sized pot. Then add the quince seeds, cloves, and our granulated sugar on top. Pour our 1 coffee cup of water into the pot in the same way. Close the pot and let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, our quinces have released their water. Then, stir the quinces we heated over medium heat. After that, close the pot and wait for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, continue cooking on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Our quince marmalade is now ready to cool down. After that, store it in a cool, dark place with the lid closed. Enjoy your meal. As always, let's not forget to add our information footnote. The word marmalade derives from the Portuguese word marmelada, and its origins trace back to the ancient Greeks and Romans. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell. See you on beautiful and healthy days.